1. Go through your stuff to find things you won't need. Look through all of your clothes, books, toys, and other random objects and decide what to keep and what to sell. If you haven't worn an item of clothing for a year, or if you've read a book and don't think you'll ever read it again, you can probably sell it and do more with the money than with the object. Don't sell things you are still attached to, or know that your parents are attached to. You might regret it later, and it most likely won't be worth the money. 2. Sell old toys and knickknacks online. If you have a fortune in Legos tucked away in a closet, try selling them, or any other miscellaneous things you no longer need. You can use Facebook Marketplace or eBay to pawn off the junk you don't need by posting a listing and shipping the goods or having the buyer stop by to pick them up. 3. Offer your old clothes on a clothes selling app or website. What may seem like a trashy t-shirt to you may be a fashion statement for someone else. While websites like Craigslist or eBay will work, too, many young people have found a more niche audience on clothes selling apps like Poshmark, Tradesy, ThreadUp, and Depop. Tip: buyers on clothes selling apps may offer you a higher price than someone on Craigslist, who expects a cheap purchase. 4. Take your books to a used bookstore. Many bookstores will purchase your old books for a fraction of the cover price. While giving them 1 or 2 books may only get you a bit of change, bringing in a full box can mean getting $20, $60, or even $100 in cash. 3. The bookstore will most likely offer you store credit at a much higher percentage, but you would only be able to spend it at that bookstore. You should always take cash, unless you have a list of books you already need to buy, with a similar price tag. Powell's Books, a bookstore headquartered in Portland, Oregon, allows you to mail your books from anywhere in the world for a PayPal deposit. 5. Take glass bottles and aluminum cans into convenience stores. If you live in a place that collects bottle and can deposits, you can collect your soda bottles and cans and return them to a collection spot and receive cash. While you will only get 5 to 10 cents per bottle or can, this amount can add up to give you some good pocket change. You can also ask your friends, family, and neighbors for theirs as well, to up your return. 10 U.S. states and Guam collect bottle deposits. The 10 states are California, Connecticut, Hawaii, Iowa, Maine, Massachusetts, Michigan, New York, Oregon, and Vermont. Check out the link description below.